Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as your name on Dress to Impress. So type in DTI keyboard on TikTok, and then you're just going to hit record, and you're going to select a skin color, and you're going to type in your name like I'm doing right now. So this outfit combo is hideous. So, um, this is me just putting on the original outfit on with the hair. I'm also just going to use kind of like the same color scheme. And then for the rest of the video, I just kind of styled it to make it look a little bit better, even though at the end I don't really like it, but that's fine. But yeah, that's pretty much how you can style your outfit using the Dress to Impress name filter on TikTok. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Don't forget to share your outfits using this filter. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.